These are the faces of our community. Everyone may need a helping hand sometime in their life. Community action partnerships provide that helping hand. Community action agencies came into existence with President Johnson's War on Poverty in 1964. These were the first social service agencies to involve the lower-income people as members of their board of directors to help set policies, design programs, and evaluate services intended to reduce or eliminate the causes and conditions of poverty. Community action agencies receive their funding through grants and donations. Matching client needs and available funds is challenging and an ongoing struggle. Every community action agency is unique in the services they offer. In Oregon, there are 18 agencies, each offering a variety of services that have been designed to meet their community needs. These services may include feeding the hungry, providing shelter, education and workforce training, energy and weatherization assistance, youth, children, and family services. Feeding the hungry. Oregon has a network of regional food banks supplying local agencies and programs. Their mission is to eliminate hunger at its root causes and support a variety of nutritional and educational programs, because no one should go hungry.
All in all, our food bank network has about 50 different locations. We also do a lot of local food drives and fundraisers. We work with many community partners, a lot of businesses that participate throughout the year, not just during the holiday season, but throughout the year. Almost 2 million pounds of product through our warehouse here, 10,000 household members in a single month. We've had to stretch resources a lot of times, but it's a good feeling to know that you've found a place you can help and do something about it. It's very rewarding, and that's why I've enjoyed working with our community action program here.
Providing shelter. These services offer housing counseling services to low and moderate income households, enabling them to address both the short and long-term housing needs.
Well, what we do is we build affordable housing with support services for special needs populations.
I was homeless and pregnant. I was probably 8 months pregnant at the time, so I really needed someplace safe and comfortable to be while I was pregnant.
All of our housing also includes support services that help these families stabilize and create a stable environment for themselves and their children so that they can be active participants in our community.
Now I'm in their permanent housing. We can stay there as long as we need to until we get on our feet, and I'm going to college, and once I graduate, we're going to try to buy a house.
Education and workforce training. Community action agencies provide a variety of training classes. These vary from agency to agency, but typically include courses in communication, parenting, values, goal setting, decision-making, problem-solving, teamwork, anger management, career exploration, job search skills, and self-esteem building. Skills learned reduce the participants' dependency on public assistance programs and increase their ability to enter further training or employment.
I found out that one of my students who sought me out, that she was on her way to college. She was just graduating from high school, and she remembered me as a teacher and how that had impacted her life. It's these rewarding experiences, seeing that we've affected the lives of these children and how successful they have become, is what keeps the passion going for me.
Energy and weatherization assistance. The goal of a weatherization program is to provide services that help families lower their utility bills and stay warmer, safer, and more comfortable. These programs reduce energy costs for low-income households by increasing the energy efficiency of their homes while ensuring their health and safety. Typically, low-income households spend a greater percentage of their income on energy compared with other households. Energy reduction may be accomplished by providing measures such as increased insulation and repair of heating systems and air sealing throughout the home.
We got on the list for the weatherization program, and they did a vapor barrier underneath, which was truly awesome because now my floor isn't cold. They did the roof, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. And our light bill has made a big difference already. We sure appreciate what they've done for us.
Youth, Children, and Family Services. Children's programs such as Head Start prepares children for their school experience and life by increasing the child's self-image and skills. A child's ability to learn is increased by a healthy body. Head Start connects parents to the Oregon Health Plan to establish continuous medical and dental care with providers.
Healthy Kids is an amazing program. People come in, they do an appointment, it takes just a few minutes, and from that point on, when they're qualified, their children have the health care coverage they need. Our goal is by 2012 for every child in Oregon to have access to quality and affordable health care. If we can bring health care to families, it relieves so much of the stress that they have in their lives. And it means a lot to have families come in and know that we're going to be able to help their children be safe and healthy and keep them well. We just take our arms and we just wrap them around the kids in this community. We offer that to them, and that's because that's what UCAN is about, and that's what being a community action program is about.
Through the operation of these programs and in partnerships with other agencies, the goal is to alleviate poverty and positively impact the quality of life for elderly, poor, and disabled individuals. Community action changes people's lives, embodies the spirit of hope, improves communities, and makes America a better place to live. We care about the entire community, and we are dedicated to helping people help themselves and each other. The mission of Community Action Partnership of Oregon and member community action agencies is to eradicate the causes and conditions of poverty that exist in Oregon. This anti-poverty work is done in collaboration with a variety of partners representing local, state, and federal governments, as well as community and advocacy groups, policymakers, and low-income leaders. The Community Action Partnership of Oregon thanks you for being a part of the change.